We talk football SA. Mamelodi Sundowns won 8-0. My brother, what can you say? No, he is already speaking. What's your opinion?
Like opinion, the game in anyway. Game down to no down light it down to about 13 cameras at the chances at 50 crore and one. Like also Kopana tumele. Pona ya aneseste. Nam putsi so stasarena o sinyaka ka mo or ka. Wetin nagare. Ka kopana se fe chiefs di na professor.
Yeah, my brother, carry on this video.
Yeah.
Your name?
Yeah, Umran. Yeah. What I can say is that the boy they play, they did their best. You know the pressure. This is final.
Yes.
So for me, I think they did their best. You know the fixture, it was somehow even our point is complained. So yeah, I'm glad that we are going to take another star at Morocco.
Yes.
Yeah, you know even the fans they started to bull us, but you know we are Sundown. We have a good heart. We accommodate everyone.
40,000 people.
Yes,
What's happening?
Yes, like I don't know, maybe it's a strategy.
Yeah.
But we are Sundown. We have love. We accompany anyone. So yeah.
No, you really showed professionalism.
Yeah, you did it. Though they try to plan something that are going to use there, but we are going to win.
Yes.
Yeah, we will bring another star.
No, we talk football SA.
Member,
Yeah, member.
Jibong from Carlton Field.
Yeah.
Kisamalimu Topi.